Hello guys. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to create a simple eye transition in Hitfilm Express. Like this. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. You don't have to create composite shot for this transition. Simply drag your eye footage in the timeline. Fit the video to the frame. Cut down at the right spot and delete the other part. Place the next video under the eye footage. Fit the frame if you need. Add luminance key effect to the eye footage. Set the threshold and tolerance to 0. Add cross-zoom transition at the end of the eye footage. Add additive dissolve transition at the start of the next footage. Hold Ctrl key and drag the eye footage to get a duplicate and place it above the previous clip. Add the cross-zoom transition to the front. Add another additive dissolve transition at the end of the clip below. Also add time reverse effect to the eye footage. That's it guys, now cool looking eye transition is ready. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think